14 zigzagging pass to number 11. 11 patient fire, but there's a whistle. There's a foul committed by number 10. Holding foul. There's a foul again, committed by number 14, illegal use of hand. Number 14, first personal foul and first team foul. Number 3 pass to number 24. Number 24 to number 13. To number 32. 32 to number 13. Number 13, nice intercept by number 15. Long pass to number 11. Number 11, back pass to number 1. Follow up, yes! What a good pass. Coming from number 11 to number 1. Number 14. 24. Spin move, bumping, too short. Another rebound coming from number 24 to number 3. Firing, nice stop by number 11 to number 1. Oh, it's an illegal travel. Step too many. Hoy! Ayan. Number 32 from downtown. Too short. Number 14. Nice intercept by number 32. Lays up. Too short again. Followed by number 24. Bumping. A big rebound is a jump ball. Player basketball. Eight minutes and 15 seconds more to play for the final period. Our score is 70 against 83. 13-point lead by the Valerians. Number 11 to number 15. To number 11 again, setting a play. Pass to number 7. Nice intercept by number 24. Number 24 coming in, bumping. But there's a whistle. There's a foul committed by number 11. Blocking foul. Number 11. Two free throw awarded to number 24. The first throw, no good. Number 11 is your third personal foul. Second and last throw. It's a neck shot. Parang talagang puyat. Number 11 to number 1. Easy dribbling. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 7. Firing. Finger roll. Yes. Good for to number 7. Another intercept by number 11. Number 11. Zigzagging. But there's a whistle. There's a foul committed by number 32. Blocking foul. Second personal foul and second team foul. 7 minutes and 39 seconds more to play for the final period. 11 to number 15. 15 lalapas to number 14. Nice pass to number 1. Under goal shot. Yes! Good for 2. Number 1. Takbong mayaman. Number 3. Nice block by number 4. Follow up. No good. Follow up again. But there's a whistle. There's a foul committed by number 7. Illegal use of hand. Number 7. Warning for graduation. Substitution, Mr. Rep. Number 7 out. Number 22 in. You're in foul trouble. Nothing but that. It's good. Number 1 to number 11. Number 11. Haras by number 3. To number 14. Number 11 again. Pass to number 22. To number 14. It's an illegal travel. 7 minutes and 4 seconds more to play for the final period. Number 10. To the 3-point territory. Number 10. Acrobatic shot. Too short. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 pass to number 1 again. Number 1 Kani lays up. Big rebound coming from number 1 again. But 48 Ivy's basketball. 6 minutes and 50 seconds more to play. Another intercept by number 14. Number 14 firing the good. Number 24. 6 minutes and 40. 24 pumping. Yes, good for to number 24. Bringing the score to 73-87. Dahan-dahan bigla. Number 15. 6 minutes and 25. 6 and 20. 14 seconds for the shot clock. 10. 22 firing. Too short. Number 24. 24 long pass to number 10. Number 10, the brother time. Yes, good for to number 10. Bringing the score to 75-87. Number 14. Nice pass to number 22. Nice block by number 10. 5 minutes and 50. Number 10, sidestepping. Yes. 5 and 47. 11. 10-point lead by the Valerians. 5 and 35. 14 seconds for the shot clock. 10. 15. Firing. No good. One by number 5 and 25. Number 24, coming in fighting back, there's a whistle. There's a foul. There's foul sa red. Number 11, legal use of hand. Time out.